Whoa guys, you can't just sit here and act like everything is normal. Ukwinole just revealed that Gogo Skhotheni and Mpumelelo Mseleku are sharing the forbidden fruit of Eden. Ima whoa. So you guys knew about this and kept quiet, never told us anything. So even Musakola thought that this was not important enough to share. I'm still wondering even now, how did I really miss Gogo Moene's VN that is currently circulating on social media right now? Goba foot. So if you are like me and you missed this one, then worry not, I got you. Just stay tuned to this video. Queen Lole just revealed that Gogo Skhotheni and Mpumelelo Mseleku are chowing, and for those who don't know, Queen Lole is Mpumelo's ex-girlfriend, if I may call it that. Oh, and she never forgets to mention that she was once dating Big Zulu, and on my side, that is all I know about her. She got famous after sharing a video of her and Mpumelelo in bed, which became a talk of the country for a week or so back in 2022. Now, Queen Lole appeared on a podcast here on YouTube. I didn't really watch the whole episode. I only saw a few short clips on social media, and on those clips, Queen Lole states how much she doesn't like Gogo Skhotheni. And her reason is because Gogo Skhotheni is sharing a fruit of Eden with Mpumelelo. And on the clip that I'm talking about, Queen Lole states that truth about Mpumelelo and Skhotheni's entanglement was exposed by Gogo Mawene. Phela Gogo Mawene and Gogo Skhotheni are beefing over who is a better wage. So they've been exposing each other's secrets for a while now, and this relationship is one of those secrets that are being exposed. Now, I'm noticing that people are looking at this as if it's nothing. Guys, Skhotheni went on national television and told the whole country that she used the love potion on her husband, Umonde. And she did not end there. She went straight to humiliate her husband again on national television, stating that she's planning on taking a second husband. I mean, as a result of all of that, as a country, we all lose respect for that guy. And my and Chris X's concept about all of this is that things become okay when they are done by certain people. I mean, Mpumelelo are hated by everyone for wanting to take his term, yet they did not use love potion on anyone. But if Kuoma, when no one is willing to talk about it, I mean, think about it, ladies and gentlemen, this can be right. Anyway, let me just end this video here before you attack me. So, with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content on this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.